heartbeat
Fast hands feed the slow with the devil's grip. Wisdom's just a phantom, those with power skip. Jazz in the back alleys narrates the decay. Trumpets echoing where the lost souls stay.
Words like puzzle pieces fitting tight in the rhyme. Snares punch louder than the city's own chime. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Street lights flicker on this endless trail. Each corner whispers a hero feel. Smooth flow cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story inside.
Concrete jungle sermons spilling in the veins. Blood rivers flowing through urban chains. Skyscrapers whisper the secrets they hold, above and below. The
Street lights flicker on this endless trail.
clock ticking symphony.
Each corner whispers a hero or fail.
Rats scurry faster, chasing shadow lifelines.
flow cutting through the
Moonlight
urban
hits the metal,
scale.
chrome sparks glow. Temptation
Truths are
lingers,
spoken,
everywhere the shadows
tales
grow.
unveil.
Block wars waged where the cracks reveal scars.
Echoes through
Currency
the alleys at
exchanged in the
night.
shells of old cars. Young kings crowned with
Soulful
crowns
samples
made
lift
of
the
sin.
darkness to light.
Pawn shops thrive, dreams locked deep within.
Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.